Let's be honest, you probably think hiring an MLOps engineer is just about finding a great software developer who knows a bit of ML. It's a common assumption, and it's completely wrong. This mistake is why projects fail, models decay, and millions evaporate. What you'll get in the next 5 minutes: clear compliance steps to assess candidates and insider MLOps hiring tips. Actionable steps you can use today, from JD to offer. Stop hiring for logos. Hire for system-level thinking, automation, and strategic partnership. This role turns research into production value. Get the checklist to spot winners, avoid costly mishires, and hire faster, without sacrificing fairness. Let's start with what this role actually does. They build the automated highways that carry models from notebook to reliable production. Here's how to assess the skills and traits that matter. An MLOps engineer operationalizes machine learning. They design, build, and maintain pipelines and infrastructure. Data validation, training, deployment, monitoring, and automated retraining. Hire the wrong person and systems become brittle, deployments manual and error-prone. Your data scientists will spend time fighting fires instead of innovating. Hire the right person, and you get a resilient foundation that accelerates your AI strategy. They guard reproducibility, scalability, and performance, so models work reliably for millions of users under real-world conditions. Next, the skills to test for: hard and soft. When you write the JD, avoid listing every tool. Focus on foundational skills, must-haves first. Python, deep proficiency, containerization, Docker, Kubernetes, orchestration, CI/CD principles and automation. Hands-on experience with at least one cloud: AWS, GCP, or Azure, logging, monitoring, alerting, Prometheus, Grafana. Nice to have infrastructure as code, Terraform, CloudFormation, familiarity with ML frameworks, TensorFlow, PyTorch, MLflow, pipeline orchestration, Airflow, Prefect, Kubeflow. Above all, candidates must think end-to-end, from data to monitoring and retraining. Now let's cover the soft skills that predict long-term success. Technical skills get them in the door, soft skills determine success. Proactive communication is critical. This role connects data science, platform, and product. Trait: proactive communication, translates complex constraints between teams. Trait: ownership and pragmatism. Fixes issues under pressure. Trait: adaptability, constant learning and sandboxing new tools. Trait: systems thinking, sees cross-system bottlenecks. Use behavioral and scenario questions. One example: tell me about a production incident you owned. What did you do and what changed afterward? Strong answer: diagnosis, immediate fix, post-mortem, and long-term change. Weak answer: blame, vagueness, no follow-up. Ask: describe a time a pipeline broke at 3 a.m. What steps did you take? Ask: tell me about a disagreement with a data scientist. How did you resolve it? Ask: what new tool did you learn in the last 6 months and why? Use practical scenarios. Notebook model with high production latency. How would you diagnose it? Good answers show profiling, data, inference, and network considerations. Top candidate sources: LinkedIn, targeted communities, and referrals. High ROI, niche communities: MLOps, Slack, RMLOps, and open source contributors: Kubeflow, MLflow. Use structured interview scorecards, 1-5 scale, covering hard and soft skills to reduce bias. Technical tests: practical take-home assignments or live coding. Give a small model, a Docker file, and ask for a CI/CD pipeline. Pitfall: over-indexing on pedigree. Mitigate: prioritize demonstrated ability and problem solving. Pitfall: rushing or dragging. Mitigate: set a transparent timeline and consistent evaluation steps. Assess motivation and culture fit with legal safe questions. Describe a work environment where you were most productive. What elements mattered? Avoid illegal topics: age, family, religion. Use structured behavioral prompts and score consistently. Final checklist: must-have skills, soft skill scenarios, take-home assignment, structured scorecard, and fair sourcing. Ready to hire now? Visit peopleteam.com/hiring or subscribe for more hiring guides. Subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.